knowledge of. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're going to start with your discussing about the quantitative aptitude. As you can see here, that what we going to have to discuss here. In the same cases, we have to further discuss the many more subjects that we had done. In quantitative aptitude, this would be in the classes, your 68 classes, and where we had done your 67th classes in the last classes. In that, we had started with arithmetical ability, where we had done your operations on numbers, LCM and CF of numbers, decimal fractions, simplification, averages, square roots and cube roots. Then we had done problems on numbers, problems on ages, and then surds and indices. And this has been the 10th topic. We are dealing with a percentage. In the last classes we had done 110th question in the last classes. So today we'll start discussing about 111th question of the session. Before starting with this, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go through the subscribe button and please like, share and subscribe our channel so that many maximum people can get the information at once, and you can also enjoy the video as well. We'll go ahead with the 111th question of the sessions here. The question is that the price of a car is rupees 3,25,000. It was insured to 85% of its price. The car was damaged completely in an accident and the insurance company paid 90% of the insurance. What was the difference between the price of the car and the amount received? You have to go ahead. Options we have is 32,500, 48,750, 76,375 and 81,250, and this has been asked in bank PO question paper as well, so that is mean the important one. Let's go ahead for the same. The price of a car is rupees 3,25,000. It was insured to 85% of its price. Then the car was damaged completely. The car was damaged completely in an accident and the insurance company paid 90% of the insurance. What was the difference between the price of the car and the amount received? That we have. This has been the question has been asked in bank PO question paper, and that has been the important one as well. So we'll find out the solution for the same. Options, as I told you, 32,500, 48,750, 76,375 and 71,250 here. So for the same, we'll have to find out the solution for the same. Let's go ahead for this. So here we go ahead. Amount paid to a car owner, which we have to talk about it. We'll go ahead for the solution here, and that has been amount paid to a car owner. Amount paid to car owner equals to 90% of 85% of rupees 3,25,000. In the same cases here, for this we'll get rupees 90 upon 100 into 85 upon 100 into 325,000. So this has been 1 2 zeros being cancelled by this and this and this. So in denominator it is not a remainder. So we'll just multiply it out and we'll get rupees 2000 or 2,48,625. That's what we have your answer here. On the same cases, we will go ahead further, which we'll talk about it. So yes, required difference we have to find out. So required difference is equals to rupees 325000 minus 248625, which is equals to rupees 76375, that we have as an answer here. Now we'll go ahead with another one, which has been the another important question, that has been your 112th question of the session as well. That has been the important one. Question is, Gauri went to a stationer's and bought things worth rupees 25, out of which 30 paisa went on sale tax on taxable purchase. If the tax rate was 6%, then what was the cost of the tax-free item? This has been asked in math examination paper, that has been the important one as well. And the options for the same is rupees 15, rupees 15.70, 19.70 and rupees 20. We'll go ahead for the same. Gauri went to the stationer and bought things worth rupees 25, out of which 30 paise went on sale tax on taxable purchase. If the tax rate was 6%, then what was the cost of the tax-free item? This has been asked in math examination paper, and that has been the important one as well. Options, as I told you, 15, 15.70, 19.70 and rupees 20. We'll go ahead and that will find it or the solution for the same, and that we have here, which has been, let the amount of taxable purchase, let the amount of taxable purchase be rupees X, then 6% of X equals to 30 upon 100. X equals to 30 upon 100 into 100 upon 6. 100 being cancelled by 100, 6 1 is 6, 6 5 is 30. So we'll get is your answer will be 5. So cost of tax-free item, cost of tax-free item equals to rupees 25 minus 5 plus 0.30 equals to rupees 19.70. That will be having as an answer. That what even though we have to talk about it as well. So we'll go ahead further, which we'll talk about the another one. In the same cases, we go ahead here. That has been 113th question of the session here. The question is, a batsman scored 110 runs, which included 3 boundaries and 8 sixes. What percent of his total score did he make by running between the wickets? This has been asked in SSC examination paper. and that what we will have to talk about it. So we'll go ahead for the same. So a batsman scored 110 runs, which included 3 boundaries and 8 sixes. What percent of his total score did he make by running between the wickets? And this has been asked in your SSC examination paper, that we have to talk about it, and that has been the important one. The options for the same is 45%, 45 5 by 11%, 54 6 by 11%, and 55%. So we'll go ahead for the same as well, that what we will have to talk about it. So we'll go ahead here. Number of runs made by running equals to 110 minus 3 into 4 plus 8 into 6 is equals to 50. So required percentage equals to 50 upon 110 into 100%, which is equals to 45 5 by 11%. That will be the right answer for this question as well. I will go ahead with another question that we have to talk about it, and that has been of course the important one as well. Let's go ahead for the same as your 114th question of the sessions here. So the question has been, after deducting a commission of 5%, a TV set costs rupees 9,595. Its marked prices, that has been the options we have: 10,000, 10,075, 10,100, 10,500. So we'll go ahead. After deducting a commission of 5%, a TV set cost rupees 9,565. Its marked price is, that we have to talk about it. So let's go ahead for the solution for the same here, and that is being the important one. So here we go ahead. Let the mark price be X. Let the mark price be X. Then we have, so with the same cases here, that what we have to talk about it, and that has been we had marked here. Let the mark price that be X, and then we have here is your then X minus 5% of X equals to 9,595, which is 95% of X is equals to 9,595. X is equals to, which is being 9,595 into 100 upon 95 is equals to 10,100. That we have your answer. That will be the right answer for this question as well. So here we're gonna end up with, and that we'll discuss in the next coming class, which is being the important as well, and that is we have to talk about it. So in the same cases, we will start discussing about 115 classes in the next class, that what we have to discuss there, and which is being important too. So in this, that has been the next class will be your 69th classes that we have to discuss here. So before ending it up, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go through the subscribe button and please like, share and subscribe our channel so that many maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. Other than quantitative aptitude, if I'm going ahead here in the detail about it, so yes, we had done your operations on other than quantitative aptitude, we had done your sociology and software engineering, and we had done your chemistry, whereas in chemistry we had done unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, unit 6, unit 7, unit 8, unit 9, and as well as the conversions, log, anti-logs, as well as their elements, symbols and their atomic mass and the molar masses as well. And after talking about that as well, we had done many of the subjects was like we had done your understanding the human being comprehensively and human aspirations and its fulfillment, where we had discussed unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, and there's a short question that has been possible for that has been of 2 marks, and that we have been possible for all the respective units as well. After talking about that, we had done your that has been we had done your which has been the reasoning, where we had completed your verbal reasoning. In verbal reasoning we had completed your general mental ability and the logic thinking. In non-verbal reasoning we had done your series, analogy, classification, analytical reasoning, mirror image, water image, embedded figure, completion of incomplete pattern, figure matrix, paper folding, paper cutting, rule detection, grouping of identical figures, and dot situation we had done. After talking about that, we had done your ER diagrams, where we are dealing with the different types of ER diagram that has been requested from your side. We had uploaded that as well. Talking about quantitative aptitude, that quantitative aptitude is being divided into two part, which has been the that is arithmetical ability, and that is your data interpretation. In arithmetical ability, we had done number operations on numbers, HCF and LCM of numbers, decimal fractions, simplification, square roots and cube roots, averages, sums on numbers, sums on ages, surds and indices, percentage. We are dealing where we had completed your 114 questions of the session as well. After talking about that, after completing this, we'll start discussing about profit and loss, ratio and proportion, partnership, chain rule, time and work, pipe and system, time and distance, problems and train, boards and steam, allocations of mixture, simple interest, compound interest, logarithm, area, volume, surface area, races and games of skills, calendar, clock, stocks and share. And then we'll discuss about the permutation and combination, probability, to discount, bankers discount, hide and distance, odd and out series. In data interpretation, we'll discuss tabulation, bar graphs, pie charts, line graphs as well. So here we'll be ending it up. It's a huge request to all the viewers to please go through with the subscribe button and please like, share and subscribe our channel so that many maximum people can get the information at once, and you can also enjoy the video as well. It's a huge request from my side to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well, and you will find it out each and every video there, whatever the videos you had requested for, whatever the subject, whatever the ER diagrams, whatever the topic you had requested, I will be surely providing you that. But before ending it up, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go through with the subscribe button and please like, share and subscribe our channel here. Thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on the comment box. Thank you, and thanks for supporting us as you have supported till the date. It's appreciated, and your suggestion is very important to us. Thank you.